Hello, my friends. Happy New Year. This is, as you can see from the title, an unboxing of a new decky poo. And this is called the Lazy Crow Tarot Deck by Nicholas Crago, Cragoe. And it just came in today, and it was a Kickstarter deck that I had backed a bit ago. And it just arrived suddenly, as tends to happen with the mail these days. So the back of the box here says, unlock the secrets of your subconscious mind. Learn what your future holds. Make contact with the spirit realm. Cast spells or something. Definitely marvel at the pretty art. Laugh at the drawing of kids fighting with sticks. All of these options and more are open to you, made possible only through the support of numerous artsy weirdos and the obsessive artistic labor of a recluse in the woods of Minnesota. I give you the Lazy Crow Tarot Deck. I hope you like it. So, I don't even remember where I'd seen this. I went to see if the artist has social media, and they don't, or at least that I can tell, other than Facebook. So I don't even know where I heard about this. But I did, and I backed it because I liked the art style, which I thought was very groovy. And so it came with a print of one of the cards. I cannot remember which card this is. I think it is the Hermit, but I'm not sure. Oh, X-Acto knife. I'm so inexact with you. Bang, bang, bang. Alright. That didn't even work. I guess it did. So, yeah, this is a Waite Smith deck, themed deck, with just these very, playful, simple paintings. Drawings, which I really quite liked, and I found them charming. So nice sort of linen cardstock, very plain card finish. The cover of the box is also the back of the cards. And I thought we would just walk through. Let's slide this guy over. And we'll zoomify. Doink. So it really was all about the very crisp, simple art that I really liked when I saw the Kickstarter. So here's the Fool. And do you see what I mean? There's this very, almost sort of Art Deco lines that I just really liked about it. And I found it very iconic in the sense of icons. And do you know what I mean? I just really like it a lot. Very simple, very elastic is the word that I like to reach for. You know, the cards aren't trying to tell me everything. So in that way, in a way, it's sort of like a Waite Smith Marseille in a sense. Oh, it's not the Hermit. I don't know what this is then. I think they were Norse gods, maybe. That I have to go back and look at the Kickstarter. Here's the wheel. So it's just very crisp and clean, and in that way I just think it's cool. And I could absolutely see working with it a lot. I'm really liking it so far. Really a lot. And you know it's going to shuffle well because of the linen cardstock. I really, really like this, guys. You know, I'm really digging it for really a lot. In fact, I wanted to do this unboxing because I have a couple of readings that I have to do, and I thought, I really want to work with this deck today. So I had to hurry up and make time for the unboxification. Isn't it great? I just think it's great. You know, and it's not, you're not getting detailed photorealistic pictures of people, but there is, there are skin tones, which I think is nice for something that's very stripped down. There's some nice watercolor situation going on. I love this winking Four of Cups. Ooh, look, he's stepping on the cups. A little tantrum. But it's all, it's all Wade Smith. It's all sort of taking that and just sort of stripping it down to this particular style, which, again, was what drew me to the deck. So I don't think this is like a revolutionary interpretation of it. Other than that, it's an art style that I really, really liked and like. So this would be the page, the knight, and this is all cups, by the way, the queen, and the kingy poo. Here's the Ace of Wands. 2, 3. Aww. It's funny, this one feels a little bit different than the others in a way. Somehow, I don't know how. Like, it's just got a, it's like, obviously this is a deck that sort of has like a cartoon vibe, but that one feels like a little more cartoon than the rest of the deck. Page, knight, and so there's a little symbol in the box indicating what's what. Queen, and king. And the king has like a pointy crown, and the queen has like a curvy crown. Ace of Swords. Oh, that's very cool. It's interesting how sort of like close these two cards are in a way. Six, 7. What I like about this deck is how neutral it is. And that's a thing that I always look for in Rider-Waite Smith decks, because it gives me the elasticity and the opportunity to sort of read the way that I read and not necessarily read the way the Golden Dawn wants me to. It's the knight, the queen, and the king. And then finally the pentacles. There's some really nice lines. Like, there's just very satisfying curves in this deck. That bird. So that's the deck, which I really enjoy. So I'm going to just shuffle it here. Yeah, I mean, it's a very satisfying playing card-esque shuffle. It reminds me a bit of the Anima Mundi, the animal deck that I love. Also, it reminds me, not art style, but in terms of its simplicity, of the Sheridan Douglas. Which is another deck that I frequently get really good readings with because it is so neutral. Shuffle's really nice. All right, let's lay some out. This is not actually a spread I use, but I do like the way it looks, so... So, I really like this a lot, you know? I think it's got like a real cool energy and a vibe to it. And, really simple and clean. I make such a mess when I do this, don't I? I like the color palette. I like the line art. I like the curves. So there we have it. This is the Lazy Crow Tarot by Nicholas Crago, C-R-A-G-O-E. I don't know if I can find, whatever website I can find or information I can find, I'll try to remember to put in the link below. Yeah, you can also Google it. I don't know what the plan is in terms of a general release of this deck. I really know very little. I don't even remember when I backed it. So, and I didn't know it had shipped. So it's sort of all those things in one, but still very, very cool. Take care, Happy New Year, be good, and we'll talk soon.